If your bracelet looks like sunshine, you might be wearing ancient tree sap. Amber's journey starts deep in the earth, where miners carefully extract it from layers of sediment. This isn't just any digging. Amber dates back millions of years. Formed from the resin of ancient trees, it takes millions of years to harden and fossilize. Once it's out of the ground, the amber goes through a magical transformation. First, it's cleaned and polished to reveal its golden glow. Sometimes, they even discover ancient bugs trapped inside. Next up, it's off to the market. Jewelers and collectors hunt for the perfect pieces to turn into stunning jewelry or rare collections. Historically, amber has been used in various cultures for its beauty and supposed healing properties. But the real adventure begins when a museum curator spots a unique piece. They carefully select amber with historical or scientific value. Once chosen, the amber is studied and catalogued. Experts learn fascinating details about Earth's history from this golden gem. Finally, the amber is displayed for everyone to see. Visitors can marvel at its beauty and imagine the ancient world it came from. Today, amber is not only a collector's item, but also used in alternative medicine and modern jewelry. So next time you visit a museum, remember, that little piece of amber has been on an incredible journey. If you found this video amazing, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.